Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is 2 Minute Tuesday. Today it's all about cameras, but I'm not talking about the usual GoPros or action cameras. Today is all about personal safety and not about making beautiful videos. That's the reason why I bought myself the Innovv K2. The K2s are a set of cameras what you can mount directly and very discreet to your motorbike, what can really help you for personal protection. Unfortunately, we live in a time now where it seems to be okay to make stories up so people get a little bit money out of you. And that also goes for riding a bike. I bet with you that some of you already have that experience where you've been accused of causing some damage to some property and you had absolutely nothing to do with it. A helmet camera can be a great help, especially if you have a red light on it and people see it, so they are a bit more careful before they accuse you doing something. But sometimes the problem is you're just too late. Or with all the hustle and bustle going on, you forget to switch your camera on. And this is where the Innovv K2 really shines. It got a discreet front and back camera you can really hide somewhere on the bike so it's not obvious. You have the GPS tracking, what allows you to prove where you are in time. And then you have the feature of that the camera activates itself as soon you turn the key and you head off. The video gets recorded internally on a 128 gig card. You can also upgrade the system to, I think, 256 gigabyte, what gives you roughly 16 or 17 hours of recording time. After that, the system just overrides the next video in a loop. So you always have a record of your last 16 hours riding. One really nice feature is that if you park your motorbike up, the camera still runs for another 10 seconds until it switches itself off, even if you walked away from your motorbike and you took the key with you. The video quality for people who ride at night is actually excellent. I would recommend you go to the innovv.uk website and check it out yourself. As I said, I'm not plugging the system here. I bought this myself. But I think when it comes to safety, that's just another thing I can do for myself to protect myself against these false claimants who become a real fashion these days. One thing to remember is that in some countries, especially over on the continent, I'm here in England, it is forbidden to have dashcam cameras. Obviously, it is not that obvious that you have that system on your motorbike, especially when you took the cameras away. But just in case, all I would do is get some rubber covers you can put on the camera lenses and you are fine. So there's no need to really take it off the bike. So let's sum it all up. I think that's a set and forget solution against false claims. Well, at least you have some sort of evidence to support your case if you know you're innocent. I strongly recommend you look into some sort of system to record your trip. You never know when it comes handy, especially when you are the victim of an unsubstantial claim. Well, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, by the way, on my channel now, I have the community tab and I have a little bit of a poll on there where I ask a few questions, what cameras you use on your trip. So go over there and check it all out. Your input would be really appreciated. On the other hand, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I have a good reason to make more videos. If you're out and about on your motorbike, guys, whatever you do, ride safe. Until next time, bye.